Deng 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 deng. Bicycle daw Jumbo. Alright, sakay. Okay, tingnan niyo folks ha. Alright, Jumbo sakay. Pagyak ni boy. Pag first placer. Pang Ironman. Sikat yun. Oh. Oh, one more push. Ay, isa pa. One more. Okay, sige. Sikat. And there you go. Dahan-dahan lang, medyo matalas yung table. And there you go. Okay, guys, medyo matigas daw yung kahit. Okay, now folks, down to the kids out there. Or maybe sa ating... O, dahan-dahan ha? Win. O, minor, mahulog. Oops. Para lang, good boy. Ay, joke lang folks. But you're correct guys, ang ating next ambassador, he has a face like a cat, the body like a bear, and very impressive tail like a monkey with direct attention to left side. That is Teddy, our Palawan Bearcat.
Oh, wow! Wala.
Okay, once again folks, that is Teddy, our Palawan Bearcat. We decided to name our Tikis Pinturong, locally known as Pinturong guys. And folks, did you know that their tail can act as a fifth limb, meaning it is prehensile nature? The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga object na kasinggaling lang ng ating mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan na ganyan ang kanilang tail, same sa mga monkey. At ipapakita yan ni Teddy ngayong umaga po. Now Teddy, are you ready to down the ball? Alright, ayan na siya folks. Wait lang guys. There you go, and that is prehensile tail in action po. They're doing that in a while to get some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan po natin si Teddy guys. Okay now folks, better attention to your right naman. That is the home. Okay, once again folks, that is uno na our Palawan Bearcat. Now guys, Palawan Bearcat are endemic here in the Philippines. So meaning dito lang po sila sa Pilipinas makikita guys, particularly sa Palawan area. Okay? Alright now folks, the reason that there is bear in their name is because they are capable of standing up with their two hind legs. At ipapakita yan ni Uno ngayong hapon po. Basic lang yan sa kanya guys. And there you go. And that is two hind legs in action po. Thank you so much Uno. Now folks, fan fact pala about Palawan Bearcat, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Yes po, pero syempre huwag lang natin silang lapitan ha, baka makagat pa kayo, magka-issue pa tayo. Pero we promise you guys, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Omnivores po pala sila, kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas at karne.